So in Python we have also exponential with to multiplication. So meaning that if you want to, for example, have the a exponentiated by 2, you can write a equals and a to the right, a equals a to the power of 2, and can then print a, and this will give us the result 4, which is the result of 2 to the power of 2, and the result, as you can see, is 4. And the same way you can write to the power of before equal, and this is going to give you the very same result. So if I run the code, you can see the same result. And so let me leave the comment here, a to the power of 2. Okay, and there's also another operator, which is the floor division, and let's see how it works. So here, if we have another number, let's declare another number, for example 7, and write floor division equals 2. So it will divide 7 by 2, and the result will be 3.5. And so it will round the number down to the nearest true number. So, and the result should be 3. And if I print the result b here, you should see 3. Okay, as you can see, it's 3. And also here, if I define another number, c equals b divided by 2, and bring c here, c comma b, and run the result. As you can see here, we have 3.5, which is the result of division of 7 divided by 2, and here the floor division of 7 divided by 2. Okay, so we got familiar with all these operators. These are the main operators that we're going to use. However, there are other kinds of operators such as and, or, and is not, is in, is not in. We've got familiar with some of them when we were working with booleans, but here we're also going to review them so that we understand how we should use them. We also have operators like and or, which we use it when we want to keep two true statements inside. So for example, if we have something that we want to check if it holds true, and another thing, we use AND operator, and we write it like this. Notice that we can use the AND sign here, which will work the same, and but it shouldn't be mixed up with two AND that we use in C programming language. So for the AND in C programming language, we use double AND, but when we're working in Python, we use one AND, and it's general that more general to use the AND written AND. Okay, for example, if A equals 2 and B equals 3, print A equals 2 and B equals 3. Okay, and I think here B is, yes, B is 3, that's right. And A is 4, I think, yes, because we've done an exponential. Okay, and let's run the code. So as you can see, because A equals 4 and B equals 3, here it's printed out A equals 4 and B equals 3. Okay, we use this this way, or for example, if one of these, if we want the if statement to be this way, for example, one of these are true and the other one is false, or both of them are true, we use the OR operator. And the OR operator will work when one of these are true or both of them are true. So for example, here we write A equals 5 or B equals 3. Or we can write it this way to make things easier. And here one write either one of A or B equal 3. So by printing this one, because here B equals true, this statement will return true, and we will enter the if statement which says either one of A or B equals 3. So here you might say, okay, A does not equal 3, but here, because we're using OR, it holds true and it prints this. But if we use AND here, it will not enter the if statement, because it does not, the condition does not hold here. As you can see, we have no string printed out here. So let me change it back to OR. So that's it for the OR and AND operator. Here, if I use and here write for A, let's write 2. And here, okay, well, I don't want to change this one. Let's write hold true. So let's save this and run this. So probably, okay, A equals 4, and that's why we're not entering the if statement condition. Okay, because here A is a float and it equals 4, let's see if here it works. Okay, we faced an error. Okay, we use AND here, and if you want to use the AND sign, which is this one, this is a bitwise and we don't use it, generally use it for this kind of circumstances. It is rather used when we were going to use a bitwise kind of AND. So for now, just notice that this AND is more general and is used, and the other AND, which is used by the sign and is for the bitwise, and we're going to explain that in the later tutorials. But for now, only use AND OR for our statements. So here I want to edit the recent sentence that we wrote here, because one of A or B equals 3 and A does not equals 3, but b equals 3, so we enter the condition of this statement, it holds true. So here we should write one of a or b equals 3, not either one of a or b holds true.